Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be showing you how I do my Ghana weaving cocoa. As you can see, I'm just stretching the hair. The hair is natural hair. I have to use my dryer to stretch the hair for the hair to be very soft for me to plait. You know how natural hair is. It's very difficult when you don't stretch it, so I'm just doing my stretching. I'm still stretching the hair. So as you can see, I just done stretching the hair, so I'm about to start the Ghana weaving now. So when you want to, so as you can see, I want to start my Ghana weaving now. So I'm just trying to use my small comb to straighten it, to comb it for it to be very easy for me. So I'm just trying to cut the middle part. So when you want to start your Ghana weaving, make sure you cut from the middle part. And guys, don't forget to cut at the back. At the middle, you have to cut the cycle. You have to cut the cycle so that your Ghana weaving will be gathered. Your cocoa will be very gathered at the middle. So as you can see, I just remove the part at the middle. So I will just separate the part from the rest hair. So I'm just plaiting it now. So I'm about to start. So I just cut from the middle. Then the middle now, I have to cut the part at the middle part. So as you can see, I'm just cutting the middle part. And when you are cutting the middle back, you have to come to the front to see if your part is at the straight position. As you can see, I'm at the front to check if my part is at the straight position. So as you can see, then I'm still trying to cut the hair to make sure it's in a straight position. Now as you can see, then I want to plait one at the middle. Then I have to, after cutting the part, I have to remove a little from the other side. I remove a little from the other side to make sure my part is at the middle, to make sure the Ghana weaving is at the middle, which is the first one I want to plait at the middle. So as you can see, I just separate the other side from the hair so that when I'm plaiting it, it will not be disturbed to me. Then I'm just straightening the hair now. I'm just trying to cut the hair to make sure it's in a straight position. So I just want to separate the other side from the one I want to plait at the middle. Okay, now you will see how I used to plait, how I start my Ghana weaving. Make sure you start the way you will start your Ghana weaving. Start it in a way your client hair will not cut. Okay, then I will show you how I start my Ghana weaving. And then when you want to start your Ghana weaving, then I just hold my attachment. Then you can see you just separate the attachment with your hand. There's no need of you crossing the attachment so that your client hair will not cut. And be very careful. At the first one you want to add should be very small. Then the second one as well small. The third as well small, so that the front will not bend. Okay, you have to start in a small part. Then at the back you have to add a big part at the back. Then as you can see, I'm just turning to the other side to cut the one I want to use to start. Then as you can see, then as you can see, I'm still cutting the other side. Make sure when you are cutting your Ghana weaving, cut it in a way where the first cutting will not disturb the rest. Okay, cut it in a way when the first cutting will not disturb the other side. So I'm just trying to plait the first one so that you cut it in the smaller way, or depend on the Ghana weaving the person wants. So let me show you how I do my Ghana weaving. Then you start like this. Make sure you cut it in a way, I'm still cutting, make sure you cut it in a way where it will not disturb the rest. Okay, because Ghana weaving, especially the front, is very sensitive if you don't know how to, if you are not perfect in Ghana weaving. Okay, then let me show you. Then you have to hold it. There is no need for you to cross your attachment. Don't cross it. So when you cross it, the front will be very big, but when you don't cross it, the front will be very tiny. So let me show you how I do it, because I did not cross my own, as you can see. Then I just start plaiting it. Then remember I told you, the first one you will add will be very small, the second one will be very small, the third will be very small, so that when you start plaiting the hair will be straight. But when you start with big one at the front, my dear, the hair will be very bent at the front starting. Okay, then as you can see, look at how I do my Ghana weaving. So just watch till you see the finished video to know what I'm telling you about. I hope you learn a lot from this video. you have to wash again and to learn a lot. You can even do it on your own. So I say you can wash. Okay, I'm just plating it. Then as you can see, I'm adding now because I did not add big one at the first starting. Now I'm adding the big one at the middle. Then as you can see, this is the finished look. So just look at it. Look at what I'm telling you about. Look at the front. The front starting is very tiny and straight. This is what I'm trying to teach you. This is what I'm trying to tell you, that your first starting will be very tiny. Okay, so that at the end the front will not bend. You see, the Ghana weaving is very straight from the beginning. So as you can see, look at the finished look of my Ghana weaving okuku. Then I'm just trimming the hair. As you can see, it's very beautiful. You know, the hair is very beautiful. I'm even jealous of the hair anyway. I hope you will learn a lot from this video. Please watch and learn from this video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Please, if there is anything you want me to talk about, if there is any way I made a mistake you want to correct me, please don't hesitate to write it on the comment box. I will read it and I will learn from it. There's nobody's above mistake. We all made a mistake. Okay, so look at the finished look of my hair. I'm just trying to apply the foam. The foam is just to put more scent and to make the hair relax. Maybe the attachment, the one that stand, is just to make it relax. As you can see, this is the finished look of the hair. Okay, God bless you as you wash. I hope you learn a lot. God bless you.